think
Yes,
it's gonna
sir.
go?
You know it. You know, we out here working every day. Trying to see if this little 328 is gonna work today. You know, got a pile of hay, pile of grass. We're gonna turn some bales. We're gonna catch them for you. We're catching bales right now.
Bale goes. Finally got us some hay over here. It's time to bale. Let's see how she does. Diaz, what do we got happening here?
Put that crap on there in hopes this thing quits double lining.
Always the knotters. Now we're getting somewhere. There she is, Eddie. She's all ready to bail. What do you think, Garrett?
Another day.
Gotta keep reading, they can't give it slack. Taking some nice bales now.